Okay, kakarating ko lang galing from my BPO shift sa VXI Bridgetown. So, just like as I promised you, I'm gonna really make time to create a video reply sa lahat ng magdi-DM and magko-comment sa TikTok account ko. Okay? So, yung question niya, or yung DM niya is, "Hello, I was taking my final interview last time for a retail account daw. And she was not able to pass, and now they reprofiled her in another account, which is healthcare. So, any tips daw for healthcare interview?" So, first of all, I wanted to thank you for sharing me or giving me the opportunity to answer your DM. Thank you for trusting me. So, failing one interview, kahit anong account pa man yan, guys, it does not mean you're not qualified, na hindi ka talaga for BPO. Hindi ganun. Huwag mong i-generalize. It just means that the retail account wasn't the best fit for your skills, for your experience, and anything like that. Kasi yung mga recruitment staff or your HR is nasa cycle nila yung mga tao na ay mas fit siya sa dito. Kasi kapag dito siya, mas feeling ko magmamatch yung skills and expertise niya, ganun. So they do a applicant account matching, ganun. And being considered for a healthcare account is already a good sign, because the company still sees your potential. No, ay, magandang applicant to, pwede itong maging healthcare employee natin. Ganun. So, here are my tips, okay, for your upcoming healthcare interview. So, first of all, research all about the healthcare or the account that they are going to interview about. So, review what a healthcare account does, like example, assisting patients or handling insurance or benefits, empathy-driven services, or pwede din yung mga customer nyo is yung tawag dito yung mga doctors, mga nurses, ganun. So, mas easier sila kasi makakausap mo professional and mas nakakaintindi with the terms and conditions about the healthcare industry rather than sa patient, diba? Parang so like, ay, hindi niya alam to, ganun. Kasi patient nga, diba? Walang masyadong alam sa healthcare industry, ganun. So, second tip is you need to practice common interview questions. Sagad na to. Tell me about yourself. Okay? So, you need to focus on your communication skills, ganon. The only thing that you need to repeat from your resume tapos in the interview is yung experience mo, pero highlight your attitude in handling customers, lalo na mga irate customers, ganon. And then, you need to highlight also your willingness to really be eager to go outside the box para ma-resolve yung concern ni customer. Syempre kapag mga pasyente yung mga customers niya sa healthcare account na yan. Next is you need to know why healthcare. So you need to prepare the questions like how will you handle like mga old people, gano'n na sobrang hirap paintindihin lalo na kapag bingi sila or blind na sila, ganon. So, what will you do if you don't know the answer to a medical-related inquiry, ganon. And then, also, you need to also know kung sino ba talaga yung target customer nyo. Baka yung target customer mo is mga hospital staff. So, syempre, maalam if patient. So, you need to really learn how to communicate using layman's term. Don't use jargon or technical terms, ganon. Next is highlight your empathy tone. Yung tone of voice mo, dapat hindi condescending. It is all about compassion talaga and patience. Next is, of course, willingness to be trained, to learn. It does not mean kapag nasa training kayo, alam mo na lahat. Okay? Kasi, you can still learn from the customers yourself. Kasi minsan, nagbibigay sila ng tips sa'yo. Lalo na kapag, what if yung makausap mo is healthcare BPO agent, tapos bibigyan ka ng tips, ganon, and anything like that. And also, pwede ka ding humingi ng tips sa mga tenured agents, ganon. So, don't be afraid, kasi tulungan naman dyan sa production floor. Then, of course, don't forget to stay positive and confident with humility and integrity, kasi I don't believe in the saying that fake it until you make it. You just need to be genuine during the interview. Kasi masasayko ka nila kapag yung mga sagot mo is parang scripted, minemorize mo lang. Make the interview conversational rather than parang compliance lang kasi kailangan mong sumagot kasi interview nga. Okay? Yun yung tips kasi sa'yo. So, another one is also watch a lot of healthcare interview questions sa iba't ibang mga content creators na yung niche nila is healthcare. Yung niche ko kasi is telco. Telco prepaid account kasi yung experience ko. So, wala akong experience talaga sa healthcare. But you can ask ChatGPT what are the common questions that an HR or recruitment staff is going to ask if healthcare account, ganon. Tapos, mag-prompt ka lang kay ChatGPT. Tapos, pwede mo din sabihin kay ChatGPT na, tawag dito, give me some answers, ganon. Pero at least man lang, you know how to say it and you can practice it in the mirror, ganon. Pwede ka rin mag-practice with CC or kay ChatGPT na ikaw yung basta i-prompt mo lang na, okay, ChatGPT, your role is an HR or recruitment staff. Tapos I am the applicant. Formulate questions to me and I'm gonna answer, ganun. So, use AI as an advantage kasi part na talaga siya ng buhay nating B. So yeah, that's my advice to you. Okay? So I do hope so that I answered your questions, and then I'm not saying na kunin mo talaga or gawin mo talaga lahat ng tips ko. Okay? Kasi meron pa akong mga tips na hindi ko masabi-sabi lahat. Ganon. Kasi, syempre, ang dami. Pero all you need to do is to make it short, be ready, and just stay true to yourself. Okay? That would be all. And if you wanted to watch more videos or to know more about BPO insider tips, anything about the call center industry or life, then don't hesitate to DM me. I'm gonna really make sure to answer your questions. Okay? And comments. So, kita-kits on the next video and follow for more.